Before I joined REI Results, I think I spent like $3,000 worth of gurus and like training classes and stuff that would basically just teach you exactly what you can learn on YouTube after like 3 hours of looking. So I spent a lot of time just spinning the wheels before actually getting traction or doing anything really. I would say between the time that I started taking action wholesaling, between my start and coming to the academy, was about 7-8 months, like complete waste of time. It was very overwhelming. My wife, we're still married through all this, so definitely appreciate her, very thankful. It was a lot of weeks where it would be like, hey, you spent this money, like I'm not seeing anything out of your time that you're wasting, or you're spending more time on this business that you're calling and it's not showing any fruits of your labor, and I think it's a waste of your time. So a lot of it was just, hey, like hold out, let me see if this can work. Like I'm just trying whatever sticks to the wall. It was at a meetup East Texas out in Tyler, and I actually had a friend that invited me. And so I went out there and he was like, yeah, we're going to have Bryce McKinley and a couple other guys out there. And I was like, I think I've heard Bryce before. That's about the extent of it. It's just hearing people that are 60, 70 years old that were like, I used to work in my factory, or I used to work in my business, and I was there for 30, 40 years. And now I've got lung cancer, or they've got some kind of impairment. And they're like, I can't go do simple stuff. And I just was like, okay, that's not how I want to live my life. Like, I don't want to be 60, 70 years old and only have like 10 years left in my life, or be on my deathbed. So my 12-month goal was to leave corporate America. That was my number one goal. Like if you look at this list back here, it's number one in my year goal. Yeah. But I knew from the get-go that it literally killed my soul to go to corporate America. I mean, I was driving like 2 hours a day, 1 hour one way, 1 hour back, and working 8 to 5. I hated it. Every single minute of it. I was like, if I see myself doing this for the next 5 years, what am I doing? It's not this. It was a hell no or yes, like one or the other. I've seen my family members go and work 20, 30 years at a company and they don't have much to show for it. For me, it's setting up my generation, my children and my grandchildren, as far as putting in the work now, so that way they can see, hey, grandpa did this or dad did this for us. And making sure my kids never have to be in the scenario where I was whenever I was 5, 10 years old, and saying, hey, where are we going to get our next meal from? Or where are we going to sleep tonight? Like, are we going to sleep in the back of a van tonight? Or where are we going to sleep? I don't want my kids to ever have that feeling. It should never be a feeling.
You and I had a conversation, and I love that you said hell yes or hell no, because you and I both know, like, I only work with people that are serious about working with me. It's either a hell yes or a hell no. And you told me hell yes that first day on the phone. And we set some goals that day. And we said we were going to leave that 9 to 5 in 12 months or less. Were we able to accomplish that?
Yeah. 9 months.
Hell yes.
9 months.
9 months. Wait, what? Say that again?
9 months.